Uncovering the secret street food scene in Thailand, a culinary adventure. Thailand is a paradise for food lovers. From the bustling street food stalls in Bangkok to the hidden gems in the countryside, the country is overflowing with delicious culinary delights waiting to be discovered. If you're a foodie looking for a culinary adventure, look no further than Thailand's secret street food scene. Start your journey in Bangkok, the street food capital of Thailand. The city is known for its vibrant energy and mouth-watering smells that fill the air. Whether you're a fan of spicy curries, sweet mango sticky rice or savory noodles, you'll find it all here. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and try something new. You may just discover your new favorite dish. One dish you must try is the savory omelet, sold by a street vendor in Bangkok named Mama San. This delicious omelet is filled with fresh herbs and spices and is Mama San's secret recipe passed down from her grandmother. If you're lucky, Mama San might just show you how to make it. As you continue your culinary journey through Thailand, take the time to stop at different street vendors and try new dishes. You'll find that each vendor has their own unique recipes and techniques, making every dish a new experience. And don't forget to share your knowledge with others. Spread the love for Thai street food by sharing your favorite dishes and recipes with fellow travelers and locals. This not only adds to the cultural exchange but also helps to preserve and promote the local cuisine. After a month of exploration, you'll return home with a full belly and a heart full of happiness. Every time you cook Thai street food, you'll be transported back to the bustling streets of Thailand, surrounded by the vibrant energy and delicious smells. In conclusion, if you're a food lover looking for an exciting adventure, look no further than Thailand's secret street food scene. With its delicious dishes and friendly vendors, you'll leave with a full belly and a heart full of happiness. Bon appétit!